Now, this feature is available to GCPay users using a supported integrated ERP product. As the name suggests, this feature blocks AFP export for any pay applications with associated waiver or templates not in an accepted status, providing a powerful control to ensure all requirements are met before you move costs into your ERP. I'll navigate back to our project and we'll take a look at how the AFP export queue looks without the setting enabled. Now you can see I have several AFPs available for export. We'll hop over to the project settings, scroll down to our integration options, and enable the setting. And go back to our integration tab, again looking at our AFP export queue, and we can see that several of our AFPs are not available for export, and as the toast messages implies, our standard lien waivers are not yet accepted. All right, now this feature is particularly useful as a fail-safe measure against exporting pay applications with an outstanding waiver. Many of our supported ERPs transfer accepted waivers to the ERP platform during the export process, meaning this feature can help ensure all of your waivers are imported from GCPay. Additionally, many of our GCs have adopted digital signature enabled workflows across some or all of their projects. Now, this feature is a great fail-safe for the subcontractor who, for whatever reason, decides to upload a waiver that gets past your lien officers, right? Because it wouldn't be in an accepted status, but you still might approve that AFP. If that were to happen while this feature is enabled, you'll know before the pay application is exported, ensuring the lien waiver is reviewed and accepted prior. Now, one thing that I will point out, this feature does not prevent the export of its outstanding tier waivers, because tier waivers are frequently completed well after an AFP is exported.